Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. It's time for another budget recipe. This is going to be a quick, easy, simple, and I do mean simple, recipe. It's just basically the chicken that I bought from the Walmart. I did a review on this. I'll have a playlist for my chicken. Now, you see, nothing special, nothing fancy. Okay. Now, you want to get yourself some butter, parquet, margarine, whatever you like. You're going to take it and you're going to rub it all over the chicken. Okay, I got some Weber Smoky Mystique seasoning. I like this on about everything. And if you get it, I forget how much it is, but I got it at the Walmart, of course. And if you get it, try not to break the lid off the top. But basically, you want a wet hand and a dry hand. Now, I know what you're thinking. You could have held that container without a glove on. But if I need an extra hand for some reason, I don't have to put a glove on all of a sudden. Go ahead. Start sprinkling that on. Now, you can use salt, pepper, seasonal, lemon pepper, whatever. But my suggestion is, no matter what you use, put it on and let it sit overnight, or at least a couple hours. The reason being, no, that's how it's going to go in the oven. Basically, that's how it's going to come out, just laying on top. This way, if you let it sit overnight, you'll actually kind of get worked into it a little bit more. Okay. Cover it up, stick it in the fridge overnight. Okay, it's been about 12, 13 hours. I'm preheating my oven to 375. That's what they look like. And I have my frying pan at medium low. Just have a little olive oil in there. Well, I'll go ahead and give it a quick char. Now, I got my toaster oven preheated for 375. It's on the center rack. You'll do it the same in the oven, 375, center rack. We're going to do it for an hour. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to hit record. But what I did, it's been in the oven for an hour. Went ahead, and this is G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce, original. 10 calories per serving, and each serving is 2 tablespoons. 17 calories per bottle. If you're 10 calories, it's 170 calories for the whole bottle. He has a bunch of different flavors. Here's sweet and spicy. Here's hickory flavored. But what we're going to do, we're going to stick it back in the toaster oven. If you're using a regular oven, you're going to stick it back in the regular oven at 400 for 15 minutes. Okay, I just took this out of the toaster oven. This is the closest I have found of a way to do like on the grill barbecue chicken without having a grill. Now, it's a whole process. Like right now, you're going to have to wait 20 minutes to let it cool off, let all the juices soak back into the meat. You're going to have a nice, moist chicken. And with the charring, you're going to have that nice charred barbecue texture like you do on the grill. And barbecue sauce, it's caramelized. Trust me, you're gonna like. If you like barbecue chicken, you're gonna like this. Okay, enough with that. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.